Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Guys, please do confirmation is my voice is okay and screen is clearly visible to all of you. I am live on both sides. Thank you so much for confirmation. Thank you guys for confirmation. So now I'm going to start the session. Please stay with me. We will start with BTC. Okay. Uh, we will check out BTC on higher time frame. So far, BTC looks bearish to me, and you can clearly see it's dumping again to a downside. So if I, move on to weekly time frame, you will get to see that the current region is very solid region. Like price must have to hold here. Okay, price must hold here, so we can expect some upside recovery in it. If that didn't happen here, then price will continue its free fall and we will target this territory. Okay, like these lows will be our next target, so price must sustain above here. You can clearly see a dump, crazy dump downside. Okay, and then after we have to see an upside recovery. Again, what I'm expecting here, dump has been, played out. Now I'm expecting a temporary pullback in it, but if price lose this current demand zone, then simply we will target this demand zone to a downside. Okay, so this is my stance on BTC. Hope you got it. Well, let me see each USDT, what's really going on. Well, price is dumping very well and it's very close to our demand zone. So this is my weekly demand zone. If I go on weekly time frame, so you can clearly see this zone is a weekly demand zone, and this is very crucial for Ethereum. Okay, so far Ethereum is, very close to it. I'm expecting a little more drawdown in it. Okay, after drawdown, price will tap in it, and here you can, you can accumulate Ethereum here in this territory, and here we can expect some upside recovery. Okay, so this is my stance in Ethereum. Hope you got it. Well, now I am going to check out gold. Okay, so gold trading very cheap chop. If I go on 5 minute time frame, so you can clearly see just a manipulations weeks here. Okay, nothing serious here, just consolidation happening from almost, you can clearly see from almost from last 13 hours. Well, if I show you again, so what my stance here, I am expecting simply a downside movement in it. So price tap again here, and here we can expect some upside relief. Okay, so far price, I am bearish on gold because of this imbalance. Price is actually gold rejected one time and now struggling here, but still my bias is still price, like price will dump downside like this, for example like this, and here we can look for a long position toward upside target. Okay, this is my stance on BTC. Sohail bhai, BTC 89 की support को भी break कर रहा है. Yeah, keep in mind, if BTC, let me show you again. uh, Keep in mind, let me go on daily time frame for more confirmation and clarity. Guys must keep in mind, if price break down this breaker, this is a breaker, this demand zone is very crucial for BTC. So price must have to hold above it. If price lose this, demand zone, keep in mind, if price lose this demand zone, then price will bleed more, and our target, would be 80,000, 75,000. Okay, this is So price must hold here. So this is very important and crucial for BTC. Well, hope you got it. Well, the first query I have to check is Fed. You know what? All coins are bleeding, and same bias is Fed. But a good news is Fed is almost pumped in just 1 2 days around 30%. That's good. But you know what? Price, you know what? Just got rejected from this. Uh, this is our higher time frame fair value gap, sorry, order block, and we also got a liquidation hunt above it. Now if I move to lower time frame, so you can clearly see price just, you know what, dumping downside, 7% drawdown so far. I'm expecting a more dump in it. Well, we also have a, you know what, trendline confluence here. So you can wait for better entry here. Like how it is possible, you have to wait, let this current candle close below this trend line, then we will consider it breakdown. Then you can look for a, you know what, retest entry at pullback, retest entry here, and target toward down. So this is my stance. Currently I am bearish on Fed, but you have to wait a bit more for more confirmation. Like let this trend line break down successfully, then we will open a short in it. Okay, so this is my stance on Fed. Hope you got it. Well, let me check out near. I will simply, ours is also struggling just because of Bitcoin. You know what, Bitcoin is bleeding. So I already marked. This is a demand zone on daily time frame, and this is a high, you know what, daily time frame resistance zone. So you can clearly see in the history price, you know what, tap it multiple times and got rejected and showing us very decent dump to a downside. Again, same here, tap in it and dump, again tap dump. You know what, so exactly that happened here. Price, you know what, successfully now, you know what, this is a breaker and this is a upper order block. So price, you know what, if I go on to lower time frame, let me show you more clarity. So price is just juggling in between blocks. Okay, this is a breaker block, this is order block. Price just tap in it, pump 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 pump, again rejection dump, again we can expect a pump from this. Like price is struggling here. Like what would be next, what would be the next possible scenario? We have to wait. Well, if price, you know what, flip this high, then we are bullish, but this is very least probability scenario. What will the maximum probability scenario, like that is here, that is price will break down this demand zone to a downside. You know what, price will break down this demand zone to a downside, and we will target toward this demand zone. So this is my current stance on near. I am expecting price, like I am expecting that price will soon lose this zone and simply dump more toward this my demand zone. So this is my stance on near. Hope you got it. Well, let me see. 76 are expected. Yeah, if price lose current crucial demand zone, 70K is easy target for it. Well, let me check out Sol. If I will proceed with daily time frame for better clarity. So Sol also dumping very crazy. Like more dump is on the way. So I'm expecting Sol this charity. So this is my next charity in Solana target. I'm expecting Sol to dump downside, and here you can accumulate Solana. So 105, 103 is the next possible target for Sol. Well, let me move next. Next is WLD. Okay, okay. Side. Wait, I'm coming this side too. Just hold on, guys. WLD. So WLD is also, you know what, dumping very, you know what, fast. So what would be our next target? This low. This low is my next target in it. So I am expecting price to dump more to a downside. So there is still room in it. So price will dump more around 13-15% here and tap this demand zone like here. You know what? Dump downside, tap in it, and here we can expect some upside recovery. So far we will target 0.58 cent uh, in, you know what, WLD. Okay, so hope you got it. Well, next is ONDO. Okay, ONDO USDT. Now I will proceed to Facebook. So so I do the more analysis there. Well, ONDO is also completely bearish, dumping so far really good. In this 12 day it dumped around 26%. So my bias is still bearish in it. The main reason is because price continuously making lower low, lower highs. Okay, lower low, lower highs, lower lows. So still a temporary relief upside, then again downside movement will trigger it. So so far also, if I add more confidence here, so this is a channel. This is a channel, price is trading in it. Okay, so a temporary relief boom, then again continuation down toward downside. So this is my stance on ONDO. Hope you got it. Well, LTP, okay, LTP USDT. Let me check it out. What's really going on in it? No, this is not any fair LTP. You can clearly see. Okay, well, check out again, bro. MAV USDT को हम check out कर लेते हैं. MAV जो भी इसकी abbreviation है, whatever. Well, I will, this is completely in bearish trend. You can clearly say since since its launch, a dump, a temporary relief in it, then again dump, temporary relief, then again dump, temporary relief. Well, let me mark a channel. This is upper channel, so this is a lower. So you can clearly observe the scenario that maybe just consolidating in this channel movement. So we will accumulate here in this charity. Then here we can expect some upside recovery. But keep in mind, if price lose this zone, then we will dump more toward downside. This is my stance in it. I am expecting dump. I am expecting more dump in it. Okay, MAV is completely bearish for me, so more dump is easy target for it. Well, dot. Let me check out dot. Dot is also struggling very hard. If I show you on daily time frame, so it's dumping really well, and I already predicted dump in it. And the next target, my next target in dot is this demand zone. So and we are very close to it. So let price dump more, and currently, clearly see, you can clearly see it start dumping now. So far we got around 7% dump. I'm expecting more dump in it. Okay, I'm expecting more dump in it. Okay, well, I have a pair to have shared. Some of my members used to check out. Okay. So price not tapped our entry. Well, it is what it is. So here we can expect some upside recovery. Well, it is what it is. So it is okay. So guys, in just one day it's from 18% crazy. Well, guys, let me check the next pair is sweet. Just guys, hold on. Mm, okay. Sorry for that. Let me check out sweet for better and more clarity. So if I show you a Swiss scenario, so we are very close to demand zone. So currently, let me mark the Sui at any Sui here, and here we can expect some upside recovery. So this is my stance right now. Right now I am bearish until, well, currently we are in downtrend. Price is completely following this channel perfectly. But tap upper line down, upper line tap down, dump tap down. Tap here, dump, start dumping now. I am expecting a more weirdly. So you have to protect your capital. You have to trade less in this market condition. Like you have to wait, let the dust settle down first, then you can start bidding your positions. Okay, right now it's not a best option to open the trades, or doing something shit here. Market is totally shit, to be honest. Well, let me, right now it's also dumping. So this is our, let me mark it, this is our resistance zone. Currently price is jumping. So right now I'm still bearish in it until this demand zone. So this demand zone is untapped. I'm expecting price to dump toward downside, like for example, for example, price jump upside, pump upside, tap in it, dump. Like price will, tap here, then here we can expect pump. But for now price have to dump downside, tap this demand zone, then here we can expect some upside recovery. So this is my stance on OP. Well, can you explain what is CME gap? CME gap, you know what is a gap? You know what CME is you know what exchange? CME is exchange where they close trading at Friday. Listen to me. They close their firm. CME is a firm. Firm means company. CME is a company where BTC is traded. Okay, BTC is traded. So CMP, you know what, mostly like their business is closed on Friday and reopen on Monday. So there's 2 day off in between. You know what? Friday is opening, sorry, closing day for CME firm or company, and Monday is opening day for. So there's 2 days, 2 days off for this company. Well, what CME gap, for example, just for example, price is running upside. This is the BTC example, running upside. Friday, whenever Friday hit, CME firm close. For example, close here. Now you know what, BTC is running 24/7. So you know what, BTC will start moving Saturday, Sunday, like, and again on Monday, CME reopen at here. You know what, CME open at here. So this is a gap created here. You know what, gap is because you know what, market is BTC is trading, you know what, 24/7. They don't stop. They didn't stop, never. But CME stop Friday and reopen on Monday. So there is a gap created from Monday to sorry, it's from Friday to Monday. So that gap is called CME gap. Okay. So this is what I am talking about. Well, hope you got it. Well, how to check coin is dead will not be able to recover. Well, this for check which coin is dead, you have to, you know what, have strong expertise on chart. You know, like for example, and this is OP example. OP is dead for now because this is a structure. Let me show you what I am talking about. This is a structure. This one, we are bullish in this channel, but right now we are in downtrend channel, so we are bearish currently. Okay, so you have to trade in this bull run. Now we are in downtrend, we are in bearish trend. Okay, bull trend, downtrend. So this is example, this is now dead. This is now, you know what, super duper scenario to accumulate or trade OP, but now this is bearish scenario until we have to wait another channel created here, then we can look for a long positions. Okay, like for example, you have to wait, let price dump more. When price like created like high low, then you can accumulate, then you can consider this pair is now good, you can start investing in it. So this is what like that pair looks like. For that, you have a strong expertise on chart, you have strong grip on technical analysis, then you can identify which pair is, you know what, weak and which pair is very strong. Well, I am checking now ICP. Please hold on and stay with me so you go to know. I am bearish currently on ICP. Well, if I show you, price is jumping very well. I am still expecting a more dump in it. So far this looks bearish to me. I'm expecting a downside movement in. Okay, ICP is bearish for me right now. Well, guys, thank you so much for joining the session. Atom would be last analysis from my side, then I will wind up session. Okay. Okay, so no problem. Atom is jumping good, but so far it's pumped really well from last 8 days. Oh, sorry, 8 hours. Well, this is a very perfect short. You have guys missed it. I don't know what has really happened. Well, this high has swept. No. This high didn't swept, but this high is swept, like has swept. Well, you can still look for an entry here on retest. You have to wait, let price come back, retest this, you know what, order block, and then again we can expect down movement in it. Well, I'm currently bearish on Atom. Like look for a short entry in it. Okay, so this is my stance on AVAX. Hope you got it. Well, I am bearish right now. Well, guys, thank you so much for joining the session. You're welcome. I am winding up this session, guys. One thing